I'm Aakash Sabharwal, and I'm here to present our KDD 2019 paper on understanding the role of style in e-commerce shopping. Etsy is an online marketplace for handmade and vintage items. We have about 60 million diverse listings. There are about 2 million sellers selling anything from handmade furniture, clothing, wedding rings to gifts, etc. Buyers come to Etsy looking for items that match their eclectic tastes. While buying an item online, buyers look at the functional aspects of a listing like price, description, etc. But on a site like Etsy, an even larger emphasis is placed on the aesthetic and stylistic aspects of a listing. Modern, classical, retro are just some of the examples. As you can see for this example of earrings, even after accounting for the functional aspects of the listing, there are still a ton of options that vary purely in style. As part of our work, we want to leverage domain experts to identify well established aesthetic styles and then explicitly model these styles by name rather than by treating them as unnamed latent spaces as has been done in previous work. The major contributions of our paper are to learn these interpretable style representations based on expert annotations that generalize across e-commerce categories. Secondly, perform large scale style classification on listings that allow for analysis of how style impacts shopping behavior. In this paper, we obtain a list of 43 style classes from experts and collect a labeled ground truth dataset of items. We then train a multimodal style-aware neural network using both text and image features that can firstly generate low dimensional embeddings that meaningfully capture style, and secondly, classify all items into one of these 43 classes. The first major classification of our work is that we can use these style embeddings to build style-aware recommendation modules. As you can see in this picture, the recommendations based on the style embeddings are aesthetically and stylistically aligned with the target item, rather than the ones purely based on text. The second major application of our paper is that we obtain style predictions for all 50 million active listings on Etsy and are able to use that in downstream tasks and analysis. Finally, we perform a large-scale analysis of style with respect to shopping behavior. We show that items with a strong sense of style are significantly correlated with more favorites and more purchases online. We also find that certain styles are purchased more or less frequently depending on the season or occasion. For more technical details, please see our full paper in KDD 2019. Thank you for watching the video.